A mighty cold winter can lead to a mighty nasty cough, and that's been true for centuries. Hi, Janice Stillman, editor of the Old Farmer's Almanac here. In 1849, a 57-year-old farmer who'd been afflicted with a bad cough for several winters came up with this remedy. On a frigid day, one that's, say, as cold as the north side of a gravestone in winter, find a piece of land with some blueberry or other small shrubs growing on it. When that land is covered with about a foot of snow, but before the ground is frozen solid, get out there with a shovel and clear off some of that snow. Pull out any bushes. Clear out any rocks and dig down deep with your fingers and pull up some of that fresh, pure earth. Bring it up to your face with your mouth open and breathe in that fragrant aroma. Do this for about 1/4 of an acre and you'll feel hale and strong and your cough will be gone. For more home remedies and the weather around your area, go to almanac.com and have a great winter.